Okay, hi, good evening. It's Eddington here with the top 5 reasons your business needs a blog. So we're gonna look into the power of blogs for businesses, as in content marketing. But first, let's look at what content marketing is. Content marketing is a strategy to create valuable content that helps you engage with your audience, build relationships, and drive actions. These actions can be a phone call, the sale of a product, or customer filling out a form. Now, this is very, very powerful to take into consideration in terms of raising awareness and even lead generation. I can't emphasize enough the importance of incorporating it into your marketing. While traditional marketing has a strong focus on describing features, content marketing is all about providing value. I'll give you an example here. Let's say that you have a company and you sell cameras. A traditional marketing approach would be something like, hey customer, I have a camera with 10 megapixels. Wanna buy it? Whereas a content marketing approach would be more like, hey customer, here are 5 tips for taking photos at night. By the way, I have a camera that is just perfect for that. Wanna buy it? Do you see the difference here? In content marketing, it's providing value, as you can see, the 5 tips for taking photos. So it's advertorial, if you like, that you write a piece of content. It could be in the form of article, usually, or a video, and then you append your SIG file with where they can then get the camera. That's the difference there. Another thing that is important to note is effective content marketing ties content to your brand. You can't just talk about anything. You have to pick a topic that is both related to your business and valuable to your customers. And so, which leads us to a few questions here. How do you know if your topic is valuable to your customers? This is where it's usually hard for businesses to know. You need to because you need to understand your audience, like things like what they are looking for, what do they need to know, what are their pain points. And once you nail down all these questions and provided valuable content, you will start to convert prospects into customers and customers into repeat buyers. That's the secret if you want the secret to converting prospects into customers, guys. Okay, so here are some of the benefits of content marketing. When you put your valuable content out there, you are improving your brand awareness because people can share it and amplify your digital presence. By providing valuable content to your customers, you automatically build authority and trust. People will see you as an expert in your industry, which also helps to foster stronger customer relationships. And you know who else loves great content? Yes, you got it. Google. That's why content marketing can help you improve your SEO, generate more traffic to your website, and get more qualified leads. Now, there are many types of content that you can include in your content marketing strategy. And here's a quick tip. Something really cool about content marketing is that you can repurpose content in different formats, which helps you save time and money. You already have the information, you just have to present it in another way. For example, if it's in text, you can convert it into either audio or video, or if it's in video and audio, you can do vice versa. So you can produce articles, but these days articles, even content is quite readily available and easy to produce with the advent of the AI and ChatGPT. Okay, so we look into all that. Let's talk about search engine optimization versus paid ads. Content is more efficient in the long run. However, if you need fast results, paid advertising might be a better option. Social media content, and the beauty of content marketing is that you can repurpose it and use it in so many different ways, as we have said, including social media and content creation. Writing blogs is hard and it takes time, especially when you have to take into consideration the audience, how to come up with topics, to editing the articles, which involves grammar, to make it compelling is even one other big thing. To insert a powerful call to action, and so forth and so on. So that's why you should leave the job to our agency. We'll do a stellar job for you in doing all these tedious bits, and make sure that you get fresh content and you are getting the traffic that you deserve. Okay, now time to talk about the 5 reasons why businesses need a blog. Okay, so everyone knows that it's important to rank well on Google and other search engines. But small business owners don't realize that improving their search engine optimization ranking is as easy as blogging. If you are unsure of what to write about, which is usually what we call content block, or writer's block if you like, the best way to choose a topic is to identify where you are missing content for certain areas of business. If you are hoping to rank well for a certain keyword, like lawn mowing, for example, consider topics that feature that kind of phrasing. Our team here can come up with blog topics that will help you improve your search engine optimization. And every single new piece of content you put out into the world is one new opportunity to bring in new leads. The key, though, is to ensure you have a call to action that will generate leads. The best blog call to actions offer something to entice readers to take action. For example, if you are interested in this service, give us a call and enjoy 25% off until the end of the month. So you see, there is an incentive there for to entice their readers to want to try the 25% off until the month end. So if you are operating a successful business, it's because you know what you are doing, right? You have worked hard to become an industry or subject expert in order to be the best at what you do in your area. Blogs are a great opportunity to showcase all your expertise and establish yourself as an industry expert. You can even appropriate a little bit of your personal option into blogs if you feel confident to do so. We'll talk about blogs in separate, in a whole other topic on how to write a profitable blog. When it comes to blogs, you want to get your content in front of as many people as possible. Now, unless you have plenty of time to email, direct message, and text your blog link to everyone you know and their dog, you need to make the content so good that the readers that stumble across it, or the ones you send it to directly, are compelled to share it with others. Engaging content is at the very heart of your business social media presence. No one wants to follow a company page that consistently tells you about their updated hours or their current sales. Their content gets very dry and boring very quickly. But if you have interesting content that you hope is share-worthy, you should publish it and your business social media profiles and on your business social media profiles as well. It all starts with a discovery call. Understanding your audience is the most important thing to consider when writing a blog. After all, you know your customers best. During the call, we get to know your clients, their business, their goals, and their customers. We do our best to think like you, so we can create blogs that seem as if they were written by you. You are more than welcome to suggest which topics we should focus on, or we can offer some suggestions of topics that might appeal to your audiences. The best blogs are based on facts. To create quality content, we do our research to ensure we are sharing nothing but the most factual information to make sure you are represented as a leader in your field. And once we have all the information we need, we write your blog. Within 10 business days, our writers are bright and creative with a love of all things content. They work hard, so you know you are getting content with factual data, engaging information, and a little personality too. Our editors then pick up the blogs apart from top to bottom to ensure that the content is nothing but top-notch before it makes its way to your website. Of course, we will never publish anything without your say. If you have revisions or suggestions to make, we would be more than happy to help you shape the blog to your standards. And finally, if you maintain a WordPress site, we can publish the blogs on your behalf. Share your credentials with us, and we'll take it from there and do the rest. Easy as that, huh? So that's it, folks. If you like what you have heard and you would want us to take care of your content writing, content strategy, do give us a call or please do subscribe on the link which you will find somewhere either on the side or at the bottom, depending on where you are watching this from, or maybe at the top. Just click on that link and subscribe, and yeah, we will give you more of the content, writing tips, and much more. Okay then, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.